what does rationalize actually mean? Well, rationalize means to get rid of a square root or a third from our fraction, specifically within the denominator. So as you can see here, we have a square root 5 or the third 5. Now, how would I get rid of this square root 5? Well, what's the opposite of square root? It's squared, to times a number by itself, or in this case, to times this third by itself. Now, what I do to the bottom of a denominator, I also have to do to my numerator to keep that fraction mathematically correct. So let's have a look at this. 20 over square root 5 times by square root 5 over square root 5. For example, when I'm adding two fractions together, in the case of 1 over 4, add 1 over 8, well, I have to find a common denominator. So when I times the bottom by 2, I also times my top by 2. So it becomes 2 over 8. Add 1 over 8, which makes it 3 over 8. In the same way here, what we do to the bottom, we do to the top. Therefore, we times by square root 5 on both the numerator and the denominator. Well, what's 20 times square root 5? 20 square root 5. We cannot multiply normal numbers and thirds together. It does not work. For example, 20 times x is 20x. We follow that same principle here. Square root 5 times square root 5, well, that's just 5. And as you can see, our third has now been rationalized. There is no square root sign in my denominator.